Hello and welcome everyone to Learn to Trade. My name is Kevin Tate, and today I'm going to be going over a replacement of a temp controller on an APW roller grill. As you can see, I have the roller grill right here on my lift table. This is the controller that I'm going to be replacing, and it's a 220 to 240 unit. So I will be replacing that temp controller today. See if I can get it set up so you can kind of watch as I go on. Going to remove the this knob right here. What it's doing is the knob was sticking, I guess, sticking in the closed position, so it was staying on no matter how much they would turn it down, or they could even turn it off and it would remain hot at the same temperature. So sometimes you can reset these switches. You can reset the temperature switch just by turning the knob a couple of times off and on. But if you have the part available, it's best to just go ahead and replace it if it's indicating that it's sticking. All right, now you have to access this switch from underneath. That's why I brought it out onto my lift table to give me plenty of space to work in, because some of these stores are kind of tight. So right now I have an open area where I can remove this panel and get to the switch to take it out and replace it. So just give me a moment. Okay. Have that panel off now. Just move you over here so you can kind of make out what's going on. Basically, here you have your drive motors for the rollers. This is what turns the chain for the rollers. There's one for the left side and the right side down here. Then right up here, you have your two switch temperature controls right here. Okay, and then your on and off power switch. So right now, I will be replacing this one. And in order to get to that switch, you just have to undo these two screws right here, these two Phillips screws, loosen those, take them out, and then this switch will pop right out, and then I can just replace it with the new switch. And then as you can see, hopefully you can see it, right back here, right down here, there's a blue, it's like a blue dot. That's indicating that this is 220. This switch is for 220. So if you have one of these that has a green dot, the greens color is for 120. The blue is for 220, 240. So that's something that you know you may want to remember for the future if you ever have to replace these. So Give me a second. Let me get this, get these screws out, and then we'll get started replacing this controller. And usually, what I do on these is I'll pull these out, and I will go wire for wire. I usually do not pull off the wires all off of these. These look like they've been replaced. These terminals look like they've been replaced. Someone may have replaced the terminals and not replaced the switch. So we'll see what happens with it. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and pull these off, and I'm going to go wire for wire to my other switch. Here is the new switch. And like I said, I'm going to go wire for wire. So I put it in the same position as the original switch. And then I'm just going to change out the wires, exchange the wires. Maybe on a later date, a later video, I might go over where these wires, what each what each of these wires function is. But right now, I'm just going over replacing this switch, just so I don't go off track. Okay, got that wired in now. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the switch back in place. Put the two front screws in the front there. Okay, temp control is back in place. Now I'm gonna insert the knob. Gonna give it a couple of turns just to make sure that it is turning and going the way it should. Now I'm just gonna reassemble my rear panel, the lower panel.
Hey, is that a compressor? Like, do you use solder compressors?
Yeah, we do that. This isn't a compressor. This is a roller grill. I was just replacing the one of the switches on it. You know.
Oh, you do? You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
badass.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube name?
It's called Learn a Trade.
Learn a Trade?
Yeah, it's called Learn a Trade, commercial equipment repair. And
Get the freak out of here, man.
yeah, let me give you a card.
Heck yeah, I would definitely look at that. Oh, that's awesome. That's
Yeah,
cool.
we got a website, and it's connected in with our YouTube channel.
Dino.
So Dino, Kevin, nice to meet you.
Bro.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, definitely. I'll give you a few cards here.
One of those.
Oh yeah, I love these.
Best thing ever.
Man, these are the best, especially working on equipment. You know.
Do you do compressors? Do you stock compressors and soda machines and all that?
Yeah, we do. We do compressors, soda machines, ice makers
can I
and
call
stuff.
you directly, or do I have to call this?
Yeah, you can reach me right through this. Here.
Directly?
Yeah, that's me
I'm
direct.
not calling. I'm calling this.
Yeah, definitely. Reach out to me, Dino.
Listen,
Definitely.
I own a big appliance company.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, definitely.
All the way appliance.
Okay.
I need some compressor guys.
Okay.
I'm not going to pay you by the hour. I'm paying
Right.
you by the job.
Right.
So if the job is $900, you get $450.
I got you.
Right?
Okay.
So
I got you. Yeah.
We'll talk.
Okay.
I have, when I say, because I don't have a compressor guy.
Right.
As soon as I tell you why I got compressor, I can have 10 to 15 a week for you.
Oh wow. Okay.
If you want to take it that route. But
Yeah.
even on Saturday and Sundays, whatever you want to do. We'll talk.
Oh no, definitely reach out, man. Definitely. Take care. Thanks. Sorry for that interruption. It was someone looking at some information, looking for some information, and potentially some compressor work, some compressor jobs. I don't mind doing compressor jobs, really. It depends on the equipment and what it's the prices. If they can cover my costs, because like I said, like right in this area, I'm about 2 hours away from home, so they'd have to be able to cover, transportation costs, stuff like that. So you always get, offers like that, and some of them pan out and some don't. So we'll wait and see. I'll let you know. But it's always good to be able to promote the channel and the website too. A lot of people are looking for work. A lot of people are looking for some help on the equipment, and this will do it, you know?
On the tray.
So, as I said, we got this all cleared, all done. It's replaced the temperature control switch and buttoned it back up. Everything should be good now. I'm basically going to be taking this back in, put it in place, and I'm going to let it run for a while and test out the temperature. And we should be good, everyone. That's all I have for now. I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot. Please leave comments. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys. Take care.